Marion Manufacturing Multi-Stage Stacker. The multi-stage stacker is made for use with most angle and trim lines. Its versatility and programmability make it an indispensable tool for nestable parts. Once indexed, the stacker will count parts until a pre-programmed number is reached. Then, it will drop to allow for subsequent parts to roll out. It can do this a total of 5 times per stack. When the stack count reaches a predetermined amount, the stacker will stop the roll former and deliver the nested stack to the operator. Once the operator removes the stack from the conveyor system, the stacker sends a signal for the roll former to resume. Multi-stage stackers can be ordered with or without a boxing station. The boxing station provides an area for unfolded boxes on top and a box building/boxing area in the front of the machine. The convenient trays located at each end of the boxing station allow for tool and consumable storage. Other features like the variable end stop and stack tamper ensures a neat boxed appearance. The multi-stage stacker, a stacker that literally delivers.